Forts and palaces. Choose the correct answer. Vellore Fort was built by kings of Vijayanagar. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is situated in Madurai. Saraswati Mahal is considered as one of the oldest historical libraries in India. Padmanabhapuram Palace is in Kanyakumari. Tarangambadi Fort is locally called Danish Fort. Match the following: Jinji Fort, Virupuram; Danish Fort, Tarangambadi; Tamukam Palace, Madurai; Thirumayam Fort, Puthukottai; Fort St. George, Chennai. True or false? Tamil Nadu has been ruled by many rulers, especially by the Chera, Chola, Pandya, and Pallava rulers. True. Vellore Fort has 5 mahals. True. Dindigul Fort was built by Nayaks of Madurai. True. Umayan Kotai is the other name of Jinji Fort. False. The Padmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. True. Answer the following. What are the prime attractions of Tamil Nadu tourism? Palaces and forts are the prime attractions of Tamil Nadu tourism. Write a short note on Tarangambadi Fort. Tarangambadi Fort is locally called Danish Fort. It is located on the shores of Bay of Bengal in Tarangambadi, Tamil Nadu. The fort is trapezoidal in shape with 3 rooms in the left wing. The central pillar of the hall holds the entire weight of the domes. Name some of the tourist attractions of Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort is a huge fort with many attractions like Kalyan Mahal, temples, Onekulam Pond, granaries, and watchtower. Give a short note on Thirumalai Nayakar Palace. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is a 17th century architecture of Nayakar dynasty. It is one of the most popular palaces in South India. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is located in the city of Madurai. This is one of the tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. Who built the Tanjavur Maratha Palace? Write some of its tourist attractions. Tanjavur Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the rulers of Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom. Tanjavur Palace Complex is a tourist attraction with houses 3 separate venues: the palace, the art gallery, and the manuscript library, Saraswati Mahal. Answer in detail. Describe the structure of the Vellore Fort. Vellore Fort is a 16th century fort situated in Vellore, Tamil Nadu. It was built by the kings of Vijayanagara. Among the forts in Tamil Nadu, Vellore Fort is considered to be one of the most invisible forts. It is surrounded by a deep and wide moat. The water of the moat was home to thousands of crocodiles. It was feared by many riders of the fort. This fort is a good example of military architecture. Write about Dindigul Fort. Dindigul Fort is a 17th century hill fort situated in Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. It is also called Dindigul Malai Kotai. Dindigul Fort was built by the Nayakas of Madurai in order to defend the region from the invading Mysore army. Presently, the fort is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. The fort was cemented with double walls to withstand heavy artillery. Describe the architecture of various sections of Padmanabhapuram Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Padmanabhapuram, Kanyakumari district. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a wooden palace which is built in Kerala style of architecture. The Padmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. The palace has various sections like Queen Mother Palace, Council Chamber, Southern Palace, and so on.